everyone, thanks for joining me today. My name is Justine with Sweet for Cakes, and today we're going to be making a special cake. Today is my dog's second birthday. His name's Cowboy, and I just love him so much. So I thought we would make him some PUPCAKes today. So everything in here is both safe for your dog and it's safe for humans to eat as well, so you can enjoy it. It is going to be a savory cupcake. It's not going to be sweet like you're used to, but it is a special way to celebrate your dog. My dog Cowboy is so special to me. He's like my baby, and I wanted to celebrate him. So here we go. So 2 eggs. I'm just going to whisk these up a little bit really quickly, and then I'll just dump everything else in. It's really, really easy to make. Basically dump and go. You don't have to get the measurements perfectly, which is nice. So 2 eggs, about 1/3 cup of applesauce. I just used the whole container. And I'll put the ingredients in the description box below. So 2 eggs, a container of applesauce, about a teaspoon of vanilla, a good squeeze of honey. I would say about 1/4 cup. You can do less. Just make it a little bit sweet. About 1/3 cup of peanut butter. Ours is at the bottom of the jar. Make sure, it's super important, make sure that your peanut butter the only ingredients are peanuts, because there's a sweetener that they'll sometimes put in certain peanut butters, and that sweetener is toxic to dogs. So it has to be pure peanut butter, pure peanuts. That looks good. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. It'll still turn out great. I'm gonna give this a mix. And then you're gonna shred roughly 2 carrots, 2 big carrots. You can do 3. My dog loves carrots. Now, I always make a mess, so that's okay. There's no clean way of shredding carrots. This recipe has all of Cowboy's favorite human foods. It's got peanut butter, carrots, 1 cup of oats, and your dog is gonna go crazy over the frosting. Probably going to be Cowboy's favorite. Cowboy will do practically anything for some cream cheese and peanut butter, and that's what the frosting is. Okay, these are starting to look like muffins now. Now all I'm gonna add is a teaspoon of baking soda to help it rise in the oven, and that's it. Just put it into cupcake tins. 350 degrees for 20 minutes, and you're all set. So we are going to start with 8 ounces of cream cheese and a cup of peanut butter. And then we're just going to mix this right up. It's going to be more of a savory cake than a sweet cake. but it will be human grade, so you can eat it and enjoy it with your pup, but it won't be sweet like we're used to. I want to make sure it's safe for our dogs. It's a really sticky frosting, so you want to make sure you get it out of the beaters and you're able to mix it again one more time just to make sure that you get it all mixed all the way through. I added 4 tablespoons of milk and it brought it right to that frosting consistency. As you smash it, it's so smooth, and that's what you want. That's gonna help you to be able to smear your frosting, but also it'll pipe really well. So that's what you want. In a frosting bag, I put a coupler and my tip in there, and then I put it in a cup to make it really easy to add my frosting. So now I have my turntable and I have taped a plate. I put a little bit of tape to it and centered it to be right on there so I can easily decorate there. And I'm going to start by stacking. So I want a little bit down at the bottom just to hold it. Press down to make sure it's sitting there nicely. I'm going to smear a nice coat of frosting onto here for the middle. I'm just going to apply a thin layer of frosting. This is our crumb coat. That looks pretty good. That'll be a perfect crumb coat for us to put more frosting over. So now I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Now it's time to frost. So I'm gonna take my prepared bag of frosting, pull it out of the cup, and I'm gonna work it down towards the bottom. I'm gonna pinch the top, twist, 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 and squeeze. Twist and squeeze until I get a little bit coming out the other side. There we go.